Nagabenta ki khubor baman kasni pet but subscribe ya u Antor News.
Kublai phi baro kini kilong ki khubor bam ta kasni. Menteri Rangba Kajala u Conrad K Sangma menta kasni ulabu yo mau nongrim jong ka Shillong Ropeway project ya kabala pli de President kari India ka Draupadi Murmu ha ka khan rutri ujimang menta usnema ka jingya dan lang menteri katungan jungo kai perthei uba polling do. Ya ka plan ka bapen I ka jingbu mau nongrim la pli pat ba ka jaka jong ka project Shillong Peak Viewpoint. Hagani ka jingyalang menteri Rangba but menteri katungan jungo kai perthei ula IT ka shithi priang shaka company shna yin KEC International Limited tan tia construction limited JV bansdang tikna ya ka jingte ya ka project badon nam. Kabala antad bakan kot shaka shispa nyop san klur tingka kani ka project lynti kit nonglet nongwan kabaning kong hamighalaya. Hagaba on pentray kam haka jingya trailang bar ka company Puma kabadon ha friends kaba ka kamram jongka kanong ningkong ban penbiang ya kitiarna ka benta kani ka project. Ka sarkar jala kla thaubun ki project penroy ban kentiu ka kam jongok kai perthei ka project Ropeway ka day ka way na kum kini ki jingya ram. Menteri Rangba ula ai khublei kinong shimbenta ki bla pendep ki kot kisla ki badon kam bar ki jingpen bet batikna bakan sedang ya ka project. Kajing sedang ya ka project kadai kajing mi na kajing penkre ka pasaus nem ka bajrong kani ka project kanya lingba ka laban madan laban upper lumpering lower lumpering lum kajat sngi Oxford Hills bat ringi Shillong. Habakran shapang kajing trailang jong ki pat ba na kabenta ka ka project menteri Rangba ulaong kalong ka bakong san ba bagi pat ba kanya trailang bat ka sarkar. Ka project kadai kajing mi na kajing trailang hapreng baro kinong shimbenta. Kani ka project kan pentikna ya ka jinglum khajna ka ba ai jingmentoy ya ka dorbar lakan tho menteri Rangba. Ula pentip syu ba ka sarkar kadang trei ya ka weipat ki lynti ki ban penyaso bar ki jaka jungok kai perthei. Badru ban penduna ya ka jing khapngiah ha ka jaka hiar jong ka Ropeway hamadan laban. Ula pentip ru ba ka sarkar concessionaire ka alternate road ka ba jungai kumba 100 kilometer ka ba penyaso bar ka surok ba ka badon hashispa iway area Upper Shillong. Kiwei pat ki balayadon lang ki kentup yo chairman ke Meghalaya Tourism Development Corporation uba Sanbor Shulai u chief secretary u DP Walang u commissioner and secretary katna jungok kai perthei u Dr. Dingdo.
This project today of this ropeway is just the beginning. Just last night, after many programs we had all day and all afternoon, we had a very constructive meeting along with the technical partners that are helping us in this project, of how we could expand this tourism ropeway and further go into making the ropeway as a model or a mode of urban transportation. So can you imagine having a cable car for public transportation, say from a location like Laimukra Dankiti, going into Barek and going into PB. So therefore you'll be having continuous cabins that will carry people along this line. And obviously we will see the reduction in traffic in that sense. Further, we can imagine if that line goes into Polo and then further it goes on to other side towards Maulai and to Barabazar and even from our terminal here in Laban to connect to this urban ropeway. Of course, a very big dream, a very big thought. But as I said, we are here to dream big. We are here to do big things. And therefore, we will start. We may have to start small, but it will be one step at a time because we want to be realistic in the way we move forward. But this is one project that is really something that we want to do. I'm not saying it's going to happen, but we are really desiring to push this forward. Let us hope and see how this particular project moves forward, and then we will work towards seeing how we could make this also a part of urban transport. We feel that it could be one of the best ways for us to give an alternative transport mode to our people. Not an easy project, very complicated, very difficult, and of course expensive, but it will be a game changer in terms of the overall traffic scenario in our city.